here today is accumulated knowledge.
My name is Arlene Corcoran. I've been studying fascia and teaching it since 2004. It's definitely become my life calling.
What I call my accidental. So ribboning is hard. It's the only.
I actually love teaching in a workshop setting because, compared to a private session where the client and I are in an intimate conversation about their individual body, the workshop setting opens up the focus to include all bodies, so the participants begin to examine not only their own body's function, but will begin assessing and observing everyone around them.
Her Achilles will be tight. Her ankle will be tight.
We routinely go over case studies to observe and discuss what might be going on in a body. I teach people how to assess misalignment through observed reality, paired with the science of how fascial anatomy functions in the complexity of a moving body.
The body. Our superficial muscles are big, right? The next layer down.
I also continue to learn and to learn like a student, whether it's in my private practice, a classroom setting, a conference, wherever. We're all here to share what we know in this human and life-positive practice.